we confirm. Yeah. Everybody got a call, everybody got a chart. Everybody know the future for the session even start. Timeline full of prophets, man, they psychic for a week. Till the candle prove them wrong and then they quiet and they delete. Guru sold the target, new sold the fear. Both of them was guessing, they just guessed it out loud clear. I ain't in the prediction business, never was. I'm in the reading business, and the chart don't blow. So I wait, and I watch, and I let it tell on itself.
Confirmation over prediction.
Structure first, that's the discipline.
Confirmation over prediction.
Welcome to the Roux.
Confirmation over prediction.
No guessing in the system. Let it show me, then I move. Bro, structure first, I mark it for the bell, even ring. Trigger sitting patient, I ain't touching the thing. Alignment gotta line up, higher time, gotta agree. One time frame, lying to you, that's a trap, that's a feeding. Confirmation come, and it come when it come, not when I want it, not because I'm bored and I'm numb. Keep discipline, that's the K, that's the lock on the door. That's the reason I still got an account to trade for. Front run the level and you paying for gas. I let the level prove it, then the rest is just rest.
Confirmation over prediction.
Structure first, that's the discipline.
Confirmation over prediction.
Welcome to the Roux. See, a prediction feel good, it feels smart, it feel loud. Get you likes in the morning, get you laughs by the crowd. But the market never asked you what you thought it should do. It just moves and it don't care about you. So I quit trying to outsmart it, quit trying to be right. Started trying to be ready, slept better at night. Now I don't need to know, I just need to see. And when it show me, then it's me. They guess, we confirm. They guess, we confirm. Structure, trigger, alignment, confirmation.
Confirmation over prediction.
Structure first. You don't rush a room. Welcome to the room.
Marked, trigger loading, alignment locked. We ain't forcing nothing. Back up, roll out, confirmation first. Ain't no doubt. get it.
Happy Friday, everybody. Hope y'all having a blessed Friday. Hope it was very profitable. I already know the Roux kid. I'm pretty sure that the Wolf Impact, the Wolf Empire killed it as well. So how y'all doing? How y'all doing? Shortcuts, how you doing? Crystal, how you doing? B, what up, dog? VB, how you doing? Silver Shark, my man. Brick City Wolf. Hey, I see that name change too, by the way, man. Hey, I like it. Damn. Bizzle talking about CDL. Don't look up that ticker, by the way. It ain't a ticker. How y'all doing? How y'all doing, man? All right, so if you're new here, we're gonna go ahead and go over some charts. Obviously, we're gonna go over the indices first. And then we're gonna take requests from the chat. But before we even do that, we're gonna go over the P&Ls of the Roux. So with that being said, we finna go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna pause how I move right quick. Now I move real quick, and I'm gonna go ahead and play this new song I just made. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it starting from Monday. It's gonna be with Don. There we go. Because it wanted to play before I even got done. All right. Start off the week with Don with a 122 dub. You see that verbiage right there? Trimming that TP1. That's how you know what he doing now. All right, here goes Silver Shark right here. Hey, Silver Shark, a brand new wolf, man. He killing it. He killing it. Got Ethereal. This man always killing, man. Big O. Congrats again, my man, on your baby boy. Hey, them diapers cost. So he got stopped out on his runner. That's crazy. She's a brand new wolf as well. Mimi is a brand new wolf. This was her second day having a chart. And she made 527 on Micron puts. That's crazy. My man Manny, Muscle Man. Hey, somebody check this guy's Rough Wolf's phone, man. This dude hacking. I don't know what he doing. Look at this. This is the last week's stack of the week right here. Geyser, how you doing? I'm telling you, man, Don killing it, man. The Maribel, hey, with that apple, she kill apple every week. Maribel again. Go real. Look at them percentages, man. Cut that one quick. Yeah. Here go Anthony. Anthony, we're gonna have to tighten up on this one right here now. Busy with a paper trade. He definitely should have took it. Woo. 2 paper trades. This is a brand new wolf, Caesar. You can see what he doing already. This man is crazy. Here go Black Wolf again. I told him, man, I said, hey man, you can't get 2 sessions in a month, man. Dang. He said, that don't mean I ain't gonna try. That man, wow. You go Silver Sharp again. I'm telling you, man, hey, Silver Sharp stick to the plan. That's it. What in the hell? Well, another one. Oh, that's why. Hey, that man Rough Wolf killing, man. That ain't memory. Maribel again with the apple. Caesar again. I'm telling you, man, these new wolves killing. I don't know who this guy is, that Creole guy. There go my boy Big O. I'm telling you, this two cans of formula right there. Van him. Oh wow. I know, right? Van that guy. 88 on McDonald's. I'm telling you, man, hey, do I need to start trading Apple, man? Here go the circle call out from this morning, well, from yesterday, actually. Plan went to perfection. It went to TP3 first day and then extended it to, I think, TP4 today. But that was this morning. I just bought 3 of them and it did that. So Tesla. Crystal, how you doing? Hey, you see this? This man been in the wolf pack and in the Roux for a week. For 1 week. I just want y'all to know that. My boy Jordan. Jordan always pulling a 4-digit win from somewhere, man. Look, now there go Anthony. Look at that. Go Silver Sharp again. Hey, and I think he trimmed. No, he ain't trimmed on that one. Go shortcuts. And then he doing futures trading, 1300. Rail, how you doing? All right, we at the end now. Busy is a brand new wolf as well. And then he go Black Wolf one more time. He even show his losses. Yeah, hey, that's how you do it, man. That's how you do it. So, hey, so with that being said, you already know who the stacker of the week. I don't know if you saw his name 100 times, but it ain't Black Wolf this time. All right. So here go the stacker of the week. It's gonna be Silver Sharp. So I'm gonna DM you your calendar invite so you can book your session. Please let it be on a weekend because this college work is no joke. No joke. Like soon as I get off this confirmation, I'm doing homework. That's how bad it is. Pascal, what it do? All right, man, let's get into these charts. Let's get into these charts. Pascal, how you doing, man? Flush this dude. Where's my boy JOG and Manny? JOG went to work today, man. He crazy. Me and Sean went to work for 2 hours and left. No, sir. All right, man. Let me get into these charts. So I'm gonna do the first, what, 5, I think? No, 4. And then, you know, I'm gonna branch it out to y'all after I go over these confirmed ones. Charlie, how you doing, man? You didn't see my wins in folio? Where? Uh-oh. Hey, look, hey, Tammy trying to get a recount, man. I've been on a tear for the past 2 weeks, scalping SPX and SPY. Yes, they'll do it. You just, yeah, as long as you know what you're doing, you straight. How I got these marked? I don't remember doing that. But we're gonna start off with SPY. All right. I'm gonna leave it there. All right. So SPY on the monthly, looking pretty good. No complaints here. So whenever you see them big old drawdowns that you see, like on a 1 day thing, just zoom out, please, because it ain't as bad as you think. Pure trades don't what? What happened? What happened? All right, so looking at the weekly on SPY. Sorry, I posted pro win, excuse me. Well, you already won this month, Tammy. Disqualified. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. The Maribel slick, though. She be double posting. She's smart. Dram. Yeah, Maribel smart. I see what you doing. Where Tammy at? Tammy, where you at? Oh yeah, because I put the fire emoji. Yeah, that Marvel. You get out of there early, because I think it dropped hella bad today. Tammy cheating, really, though. All right, here we go. Yeah, Tammy, you can't get another session. You ain't Black Wolf. All right, so looking at SPY on the weekly. All right, so you can see from this breaker structure that we have from June 26th week, if you draw a rectangle from that level, right? But on top of that WTMA as well, what do you see? A break and retest. Right now, it successfully retested that structure. So we got a clean breaker structure with a pullback. That is exactly what you want. So you can make higher highs and higher lows. Right now, we just made the higher low. Yes, we can on protest. Looking on the daily of SPY, daily on SPY don't look good whatsoever. Now, the month look good. You ain't lying, Maribel. Kevin, how you doing, man? So on the daily, we got a bearish arc. I mean, it looks pretty confirmed if we don't hold this breaker structure level that I was just referring to on the weekly. Mo, how you doing? So SPY has to hold this level where it's at right now. What's this, 760? So I think we can come down here and sweep 760 and then make that next leg up. But no promises. We do have Jackson Hole next week. So that's some substantial data. Oh yeah, it'll be a replay to this. It'll just be on my channel. I don't know how to say that name. User DQ. I'm just gonna say DQ. All right, let's see what we got on the Qs. Still haven't broken a high yet. So I mean, I guess we're just consolidating, compressing. Look like we're getting into a wedge kind of pattern. Nothing special on the monthly. All right, looking on the weekly, we just unraveled a weekly inverse arc. So that ain't too good. But the only good thing about QQQ right now is that we have this 12 riding up right here, this WTMA cloud right here, this fair value gap right here, and the WTMA and signal right here. So if there was a point in time where you wanted to take a shot on calls, bet. Man, you gotta change your name. Jesus. So if there was a time you wanted to experiment on calls on the cues. I mean, I ain't saying this the time, but you know, the time was yesterday, you know? Especially with this sweep. All right, so on the daily, we have a bearish arc. We reclaimed the 12, came down, sweep, didn't break out of it, and swept the bottom of it again. So what you want to look for on SPY's daily chart is a close. Well, for the downside, you want to look for a close under 70. Let's go WTMA cloud 706.50 on the daily time frame, and then it could keep going down. If it actually completes this sweep, you know, you drop down to a 2-hour time frame, 2-hour or 4-hour, you'll get a fresh inverse arc, and then you can go back up, especially with this 200 right here. So you can see right now they're accumulating on the Qs right now. The elongated inverse arc, 200 right here. So that's a good level to throw that shot in the dark. Now you do want to do a trade plan with Black Wolf, so you ain't completely blind. All right. Let's see. DIA, probably the worst ETF right now from the looks of it. We'll see. Monthly not looking too hot. Long as it hold the top of this last month candle, we should be pretty good. The weekly, we are inside of the WTMA and the 12 now. And we're retesting the 12. So, I mean, it did reject the down move so far. And then, here we go again, same example. On the daily time frame, we got a change of character that was formed on the 3rd of August. Change of character went up, broke, and now we're retesting that same change of character line. So DIA definitely has to hold that level. Then we go to the IWM, small caps. Monthly chart looks pretty good. No complaints about that one. The weekly has the shallow bearish to inverse arc on the weekly. Retested the 12 cloud and popped back up. We just waiting on for that 12 to be reclaimed, not the 12, but the WTMA to be reclaimed on the weekly time frame. And IWM should be good to go. As you know, as long as we don't get no crazy economic news. Bearish arc on the daily. We did get a floating candle yesterday, but you can see that it, went right back to, it's the same story every time. Came back to the change character line, and now it's trying to pop back up. So definitely need a reclaim on the 12 and the WTMA on the daily as well. All right, VIX. I'm gonna go to the daily. On the daily, we have a inverse arc. Leading up to data, when you think that spike VIX? So I'm pretty sure that we're gonna get a VIX spike sometime next week. So protect the portfolios. Let me make sure. I'm gonna go to investing.com. Look at these economic dates next week. Ooh, we got a lot of data. I'm just gonna copy the link, put it in the chat. Yeah, there you go. So you don't get blindsided. I'll be posting it in my Discord anyway, so make sure you know. But yeah, VIX inverse arc. Prepare for a pop up in VIX, especially when we reclaim that 12. All right, so I'm gonna go over some confirmations that I saw. I was looking at this chart last night, and I hate I didn't run a trade plan on it. But ALB, this thing moves crazy when it's ready, though. Yeah, it just got a breaker. Well, not a breaker structure, but yeah, it was a breaker structure on the daily. Now it's closed over one of the 200s. So now you can see where it can really run. Line up this order block real quick. You'll see this VRVP taper off. So we can very well run the 156 pretty soon on ALB. So y'all definitely want to do a trade plan on ALB. All right, MSTR. Shout out to Tammy for them trade plans on crypto. Well, at least the ranking. I don't know if she did the trade plans or not. I don't remember. I don't remember. I was waking up. But MSTR been booming. So when you run a top-down analysis on MSTR, Coin, Mara, please do one on Bitcoin, BTC, USD first. That way, you'll know the levels of Bitcoin and then tell Black Wolf to correlate those levels with those tickers that you run top-down analysis on. So looking at the daily, we got a little more room to run, honestly, on MSTR. Let's see. We got a little more room. I say to the 200 at around 128.40, which will be into this bearish fair value gap. All right, CoreWeave. CoreWeave popped on my list from a possible sweep situation. So on a daily time frame, when you run into an order block that's paired up with a fair value gap and they change the character level, you can definitely just wait for the sweep to occur and you can make a bag. So I'm gonna mark this out. So you can see the correlation. Like this ain't even, I can get the most top of this candle and it'll be change the character level, fair value gap, order block. So you definitely want to look out for that. Marcy, how you doing? All right, here go Coin. We closed over one of the 200s in the cloud. We can definitely run up to 197 and 200 pretty soon. Bitcoin, crypto is the move right now. Not so much for tech overall. So don't load into tech yet. Just wait for a higher time frame sweep or inverse arc on at least a 4-hour time frame at a demand zone, like we saw at Oracle. Moderna, you know, you already saw their news. They popped up insane, like 900,000% gains on contracts. 1,000 would have made you like what? No, $1 would have made you like 2,100 per dollar that you had a contract on. So I mean, it's crazy. So on the daily time frame, we got a fair value gap made yesterday, and we gapped down. We never retested it, but we did try to make a move back up. So Moderna looks pretty decent. It can run back up to 170 pretty easy. All right, ServiceNow. We got a fresh inverse arc on ServiceNow today at the bell. Never lost that level. It did retest the fair value gap and the WTMA. So you definitely want to run a top down on that, because when this thing runs, it's going to run to 139 extremely fast, and nothing is going to stop it. And then once it gets past 140, Lord, this is what it's going to look like. So this is going to be the first trade you can take all the way up to 140. Prepare for the sweep. Sell out of it. Let it close a week above 140. And then you got 140 all the way to 170. That's where you want to get that long dated swing for earnings. Swing it all the way up to earnings. Get out. Too easy. Stay stack. Boom, boom. GLD. Shout out to Pretty Hustle for the GLD plan. I forgot what day she did it, but I'm pretty sure it was like at least a week ago. Maybe 2. So GLD cleared the daily 200 and never looked back since. It looks like we can go all the way up to 436 before experiencing an actual pullback. We may get some turbulence at 431, but this chart looks good. Here's the weekly right here. And you talk about confirmation. Sheesh. All right, DE. Shout out to my boy Spoons. We was talking about DE the other day. I dropped a plan on it, but it fell out of the sky when I did it. And then they had earnings, and then they stabilized. Got a big weeky doji candle yesterday, and then today just took off. It went all the way from 606 all the way to 653 today. So yeah. And it closed above a daily hidden supply. So now we can run up to 670, like minimum. All right, then Oracle. So Oracle is not a daily chart that I looked at. I looked at it on the 4 and the 2 today. So if you look at the 4 hour, we got a fresh inverse arc with a buy signal from AYN. We got a 12 reclaim and we got a 12 retest, forming a fair value gap inside a bullish order block. That's a lot. But you definitely want to do a trade plan on Oracle. This gonna be them ones that, man, it's at 160. Yeah, it's been 2 days. It's at 160 already. So you definitely want to run trade plan on Oracle, Moderna, ALB, and Coin for sure. Now I'm gonna take the first 10 tickers and I'm gonna go over them. Drop them. Go. Mike, how you doing, man? All right. What the hell did I just click? I ain't trying to share my watch list. J&J, FTNT. I'm in Oracle. Oh. Brown Wolf, how you doing? So 5. Zim or ZM? Is it ZM? All right, that's 10. That's 10. Hold on. That's 10. Hold on. Sheesh. Is that ZM like in Zoom? Is ZM even? I mean, it is a ticker. ZM is a ticker. I'm gonna put it on. GFS. Hood went bonkers today. AVGO should be at a sweep level. I think it swept actually. Man, you can't put 2 of them Pascal. Man, you cheating, bro. You put 3 of them on here. You cheating. Now I gotta redo the thing, man. Hey, man. This man Pascal slick, man. All right, J&J. Stack of the week gonna get his first pick anyway. All right, LTNT. Boom. Oracle already on there. Dell. Boom. SoFi. Boom. Zim. Boom. Hood. Boom. Not AVGO. Man, you over here cheating, Pascal. Man, that's crazy, bro. I can't believe you. All right, CRM. I like CRM chart. What did I just type? Oh yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. QQQ. Man, y'all know I don't need to be doing no QQQ. Y'all know who that's for. Come on. Tesla. And then Amazon. One, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Oracle already here. Oh, my bad. Oracle already there. One more. Apple. All right. All right, so now y'all vote out of those 10 which ones y'all want to do a trade plan on. Plus Pascal. Don't skip Marvell. RL. Alright. For the silk. I got you. Alright. Let me do a poll on here. Uh-oh. I'm putting the titles on here. Well, the tickers to do a trade plan on. I didn't know you could. I'm gonna do like the most popular ones. Tesla. All right, there you go. Boom. Y'all vote for that. Yeah. I had it at the top. But we ain't at the top. Oh, I see what you're talking about. Man, you did that before I said it though. All right. Looking at J&J. Oh, y'all voting. Jeez. Tesla winning? That's crazy. That's insane. All right. It looked like Tesla about to landslide. All right, so looking at J&J on the monthly time frame, excellent. I like it. Hella bullish uptrend. And what's crazy is the 200 ain't even like aggressively pointing up yet. It's still kind of, it's still kind of mild. It need to, when it start to shoot up, man, J&J gonna go insane. All right, looking at the weekly breaker structure, consolidation, retest, pop up. So looking on the weekly, we look pretty good. Closed over the W10 May. J&J can keep running at this rate. We're on an aggressive volatility status as well, so that move can keep going. He said, where we dropping? All right, so now we got an ascending triangle right here. Actually, I want to say that's a pennant, honestly. Got this. It's a rising wedge, honestly. Yeah. Rising wedge. We got this. So you see how it starts out wide, now it's compressing in. It's probably gonna get to this hidden shelf right here, and you see it already swept it twice. So next time it go through it, it can just go insanely over that level. So definitely do a top down on J&J. J&J looks good. Fortinet. Looking on the monthly, it's just a pullback. That's fine. On the weekly, we do have a bearish arc that just closed today, but we did reject the down move. We did not close under the 12. Is J&J running due to any medical news? Well, it hasn't been with that Moderna news. I'm pretty sure it popped up with that, but J&J been pushing lately, like consistently. Fortinet bounced off the 12 on the weekly. I mean, I don't like that bearish arc. Let's see what the daily got. Okay, all right, that looks a little better. All right, so what we need to do is hold minimum 143.53. But you can see where we weaked it right here today. The W10 made and this breaker structure level. It ain't a coincidence that this WTMA is where we wicked it. That's crazy, right? So what you want to look for is a fresh inverse arc on like the 2. Let's see what we got on the 2. Ooh, we got it. All right, we got the fresh inverse on the 2. All right, so now what you want to look for is a 12 crossing over the WTMA cloud. Once that happens, you already see the nodes get thin. Price can run up to 161 extremely fast, but it will get hit by this 200 at 158. First. Oh, I'm gonna put that right there. Let's see. Yep. We close above like 155. It can accelerate pretty quick. It looks like Tesla gonna get that trade plan for sure. Y'all be liking that excitement. Well, Tesla did do, yeah. Tesla made a whole lot of people money in the Empire and in the Roux today. So, all right, looking at the monthly on Dale, we have a weak high. We all know what weak highs do. Basically, it's just a spot where they're gonna like, hey, we finna take all this liquidity from y'all. We're gonna make you think it's a breakout, boom, and let's break your account real quick. So that's what a weak high is. It's just a buy side liquidity sweep. I took Sean's coin pick back in December, January, and my cook, and I don't know when he called back then. During that time, I'm pretty sure. Looking at the weekly on Dale, we just tapped the 12 cloud. We held the previous week low as well. I mean, it looked like it just want to do a chop fest, honestly. If you look at Dale on like the broader spectrum in these last, 12 weeks, it's just been chopping. So it 1 week, go down. Next week, go down, pop back up. So right now it's just consolidating. I'm pretty sure this would be a rectangle if you look on the daily. Yeah, rectangle pattern. And then it broke out, false breakout. Well, you know, weak high, give me that liquidity, snatch, come right back down. So now you're in a position to sell side sweep on a daily time frame on Dale, and that would be extremely good for Dale because they just need that fuel to go higher instead of just trading within a certain range. If they get that fuel, Dale could break over 520 pretty fast. And we got hey Pascal, man, you still be posting my lyrics, All right, SoFi, I mean, it don't look well on the monthly. It just looks normal. No 200 to get a bias, but if I had to say, I would say the 200 is like in a straight line. Let's see what the 3 week got. Oh, 2 week. Oh, yep, here it is. 1 week. So 200 would probably just be like flat. Hey Tammy, tell Pascal what happened. All right, so on the weekly on SoFi, hey, top down immediately on SoFi. Immediately. Don't they allow crypto trade now? I'm gonna end this poll where Tesla clearly won. I think SoFi, yep. Does SoFi allow crypto trading? Let me look in this app. Flush forever is insane. Let me look on this app. Invest. Can you trade crypto? Yeah, they do got a crypto section. Okay. Okay. I have a SoFi Leap. Ooh, oh yeah, you finna cook then. All right, so yeah, they allow crypto trading. So you definitely want to look at those brokerages that allow crypto trading because that drives money into their pocket. Foot stomp. Look into that. SoFi. So on SoFi, we got. So this was the same pattern that Moderna was trading in, right? So if I go to Moderna real quick, look at this. So looking at the weekly, same time frame, we got this crazy elongated, inverse arc, right? And then it's just consolidate. Bam! All right. Granted, they got news. Who's to say SoFi won't get news? So your leap is gonna be crazy if they end up getting some news. And SoFi one of the ones like leaps you can probably get 10 of those things because they super cheap. It don't move that much unless it's news driven. So the weekly look good. It's just in a rectangle consolidating, and we just got a 12 crossing over the WTMA cloud. Was it that comment about? No. No, apparently it was a Discord link. On a daily. Let me see. Okay, yeah, we just trading in a range right now. Actually, I'm gonna extend this back. I'm gonna put that back there. Yeah. So we got a fresh inverse arc today with the change of character that printed. So we closed over one of the 200s. We wicked off the other one. So we close over the next 200 at $19. We can go to 20 pretty damn easy. Pretty easy. Okay. Hey, I like SoFi. Hey, if it get that 3-day close, so what I'm looking at right now, if it can get a 3-day close at around this time that the 200 meets it, SoFi can go parabolic. Let me see 3-day. Yeah. I like it. Approved. Is it too late? Nah, it's still consolidating. It ain't too late. That is a fight for SoFi. Yeah, now, cause hey, look, hey, all it take is, hey man, we gonna go ahead and we gonna hike rates. Bam, SoFi getting smacked. Ooh, hey, who posted this? Who posted Zim? Bernard. Hey, Bernard, I like this chart. I like this chart, especially on the monthly time frame. So this is how Twilio looked before Twilio had that earnings play, where that earnings run, and it went insane. So I like this chart. So we holding the 12. Let me zoom up. This is a monthly trigger. Okay, so if we close a month over 30.15, this thing gonna go. I like the monthly for sure. Got a monthly trigger. Let's see what the weekly says. Still the same monthly trigger. And we only got 2 more weeks. Well, we only got like a week and a half really on this month, right? Yeah, a week and a day. Okay, so that's cool. So if we close this a week and a day, we already swept it. So we already know it's possible. I think this would be a good play. I think this would be a good one. Because looking at the weekly, ain't no resistances. Let me go to the 3-day. Let's see. All right, same order block, same trigger. Fine. Okay. I'm trying to look for the next resistance. Same level again. Let me look at the 4 hour. Same level of 30. I'm trying to see if we got any rogue ones. Same level of 30. Okay, so 30 is the price that we need to close over on the monthly time frame. Monthly is the minimum. So a week and a day from now, if we close over that, this is gonna probably go crazy. And I'm pretty sure them contracts are cheap because it's only $28. Let me look at my Thinkorswim. Yeah, that's a shipping company. Yep. And that correlates with your CSX. Let me see what Zim's at. Yeah, I am. Oh my God. Yo, a monthly contract of 29 strike is 117 bucks. That's a month out. A 30 strike is 52 bucks. And that's just a month out. So if you go to, I wouldn't even say earnings because it look like they be missing earnings. But if they get a catalyst, when is they? November. So you get a contract to November. They don't have a contract to November. It's October, then December. You get a December contract. A 30 call for December is 137 bucks. So keep that in mind. All right, moving on to Hood. Looking at the monthly, it looks pretty good. I want to see how these things respected Loop Apex, because that's what I did my Loop Apex demo on. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, I can't see. None of that's too much. All right, here we go. Look at that. Oh yeah. Yeah, Loop Apex is official. All right. So looking at the month, we're trying to get a fresh inverse arc. So the 3 week we already have one, which is phenomenal since we got a fresh inverse arc, pop up, retest, rejection, come back down, did not close under the WTMA, and then rocket it back up. So looking at the week, we got what we call what Sean called the won't, right? So you got a fresh bearish arc followed by a quick inverse arc. So when you see like a tight range on this, that means, you know, it's about to go TOA. Everybody know what TOA mean. If you know what TOA mean, put TOA in the chat. Yeah. If you know what TOA mean, put TOA in the chat. Ooh. All right. Let me see. Yeah, the week. I like the weekly. 3 day gonna look exquisite. 3 day looks exquisite. I like it. I might do a trade plan on them. A continuation trade plan. So y'all already see what's the next move, right? Just to get y'all eyes on it, right? So looking at the 3 day, I don't even want to go to the week or anything. So the 3 day trigger is right here. All right, so what you want to look for is, I don't even classify this as a sweep, but it did gap up and drop down. So kinda, but not really. But we got a fresh inverse arc on the 3 week. We're gonna have resistance at 111.86, and then at 114.11, and then we're gonna look for a sweep at 120. We get that sweep at 120, we probably gonna come back down to 114 at the WTMA level, consolidate just a little bit, and once we close over a 3 day over 120, you see what we can do. So please do a crazy trade plan on Robinhood. And yes, they allow crypto trading, which I just reiterated on SoFi. That's crazy. This man said hot to Bizzle, bro. Yeah, we definitely gonna get a sweep at 120 to 124. But we could exaggerate that 120 move and go to 124. Plan posted already? Yeah. And this how we do it that quick. Black Wolf the GOAT. Hey, so if y'all, hey, look, whoever ain't got the wolf chart, go ahead and screenshot it right now. Screenshot it. Put it on your desk. Wait for these parameters to happen and trade it. Too easy. Yeah. So they on SoFi you can buy crypto. So when you can buy crypto on those little trading platforms, I mean that just helps them out. Cause you getting charged for those executions. And with Robinhood in particular, guess what? What's probably happened? Your execution price that you see probably ain't your real execution price. They already they got in trouble for that already. Skimming off people's contracts. So daily just closed over the WTMA cloud over this trend line. The next level of resistance is 117. I'm gonna negate this historical resistance for now, but 117 at the liquidity level of the WTMA. Now that ain't saying go get a 117 call. You get a call that's under that, therefore you surpass it, and then you make the money on the way to 117 and beyond. Boom, boom, boom. Where should we be buying crypto? I ain't telling you that. Nope. Can you explain the WTMA cloud versus the WTMA? All right. So I'm finna take off the WTMA cloud. I'm gonna flicker the WTMA cloud right quick so you can see which one it is. See that? That's the WTMA cloud. So the WTMA cloud is a higher time frame version of the WTMA, but it's a whole band of them, right? So think of this wide range like this of WTMAs, and I think it's like, I don't know how many of them it is. It's probably like 15 of them or something. So when they tighten up, so this one will go like that. Next one will go like that. Like, they'll basically cross hatch each other, right? So you can see where the crossover happens. Like this one would go like that, like that, like that. So when you get this thin band, that means all of the higher time frames in the WTMA cloud is crossing over, which mimics the smaller time frame, which is the WTMA. So it just mimics this, but just a wider band of it. So like this exact portion right here is this right here. So you got this that's going like that. Then you got the bottom portion that crosses over to the top. So right here is what this is. Now I gotta delete all of the lines. That's gonna be crazy. S-T-A. Alright. So I had a old hood trade plan on this chart. You can see what happened. The A plus trigger was 95-ish. It got in and it would have hit TP4 today. So yeah. I explained that good, Brick City. Dang. Hey man, if y'all ain't in the Discord, get your butts in the Discord, man. Now, do I want to post the link? Not really, because I'm gonna get people about to impersonate the heck out of me. But I'm gonna do it for the people. Just do not answer any inboxes from me. You DM me first, because you will get the real me that has the wolf tag. Don't, please, do not accept any invites or messages from me, because the first thing they told somebody was, don't accept friend invites from anybody in the server. What kind of sense does that make? What? that means the real people can't even contact you, and then you're just stuck with the scammer. Yeah, somebody was reaching out to one of the new people saying that I offer mirror trading. I was like, bro, you know I work a full-time job. I work 10 hours a day, brother. What? How long does it take to learn all of this? Did you get my message about getting in your group? Uh-oh. My bad. Well, the link right above you. I'm gonna tell you now. So watch this. So we already went over the wins and everything. But I can tell you from, I kid you not, Caesar, he got the wolf chart maybe 4 days ago, maybe 5 days ago. And he already up 1,100 this week. Just this week. He had the chart for a week. Yeah, actually, let me see, because he DM'd me I DM'd him when he got it. So let me see. I ain't gonna show y'all the inbox because he got some important content in there. Okay, 8/12 is the day he got it. So I'm gonna do this. So he showed his receipt. That's all I'm gonna show you. 8/12. So he got it last Wednesday. Okay, that ain't 5 days. He got it last Wednesday. Spent all weekend studying it, and $1,100 later. So, hey, it takes a while, but if you dive deep in it, it won't take you like crazy long. CRM, I love this chart on the monthly time frame. 200 bounce. We almost about to get a fresh inverse arc. So if we go down to the 3 week, guess what we got? Fresh inverse arc, reclaim of the 12. If we break this level of the 200, which is 213, we can see some real movement on Salesforce. I like this chart. I might put this in, I'm gonna put this in my weekly watch list. So I appreciate you for cutting down my work by 1 ticker for sure. I appreciate that. All right, so right now we're at a high sweep area. So what I mean by high sweep area is we got this supply right here that was created with a 1 week trigger on the week of June 1st. So it's technically a month old, and 2 months old. Sheesh. All right, you got this order block. It should have been closed. This one should have disappeared, but it didn't yet. But we got this one from 2 months ago. So whenever we close a week above this would disappear. All of these order blocks would disappear, and you're free to go. JOG, VIG 60, man, VIG 60. All right. We just got a cross. Nah, that's a while ago. That's like 6 weeks ago. So I ain't gonna say that one's fresh. But what I'm looking at is, I'm gonna do this whole leg. Boom, I'm gonna line that up right here. All right, so a close over 211.34 on a weekly time frame could send CRM up to at least 225. Yeah, 225. And that's a big move. So I got kids that are still at home, so it's crazy in my home. I want to be realistic. Hey, I got 2 young ones. I got a 2-year-old and a 5-year-old. Hey, let me tell you, it ain't easy. And then I got my CWCA in like 4 hours, but that was back in the day. You actually got to do more now. So you can learn the full system in probably a week's time if you just go through it. But if you want to ask Black Wolf questions, which I advise you to do, you can probably take 2 weeks. Uh, yeah. So you don't have to buy TradingView. You can so what I meant by the plan that allows you to get the indicators is see I got this 29 up here. I got 29 indicators. I got the premium one, which is like the next to the second highest tier, because I make indicators. I integrate other ones into mine just to get more correlation. But if you're like just trading wolf chart, you don't need nothing but what, essential? JLG, is it essential? I think you can use the free one. I'm pretty sure you can use the free one. Buy high, sell low, flow. Oh my God. Are the triggers part of the trade plan or part of the wolf chart? The triggers is from a class. So when I'm pretty sure you signed up for a class. So ask Sean about the trigger time frames. Or it might be CWCA linked. We got a lot of indicators, dog. Okay, you got essential. Okay, so Silver Sharp got essential. So you don't really need, more than that. Because when you get, Silver Sharp, when you get your CWCA, you'll be good because the WTMA class is going to be another indicator. So Ebony, when you do get the wolf chart and you go through the CWCA training, which is the wolf chart analyst, certified wolf chart analyst, you will get another indicator to track parabolic movement. So this indicator right here with the grayish cloud. So you'll get that as well. So you definitely want to get just enough headroom so you can, whenever Sean drop new indicators, you can just put them on your chart without, having to upgrade at the time. You really want to get 2 indicators. Essential has 5. Okay, yeah, Essential straight then. Wasn't there one before that, Plus or something? Or Plus is after that. Private training group. Oh yeah, he signed up for it, Tammy. Yeah, I got him already in one. Oh no, what chart was I on? Hey, what's the next holiday coming up? Because if you could just get a cheaper one that it just expands you enough to get to the sale. Let me see. This holiday is not in my calendar. Oh wow. Okay, Labor Day coming up. Yeah. They're gonna have a Labor Day. They're gonna have a Labor Day sale. Well, let's hope they have a Labor Day sale. But they should. It'll be, if you get. I got premium out for like 2 or 3 years because they don't cap how many times you can buy it when the sale is on. So you can get some leap options on that thing, basically. Black Friday should be the best set. Yeah, it's like 85% off. All body. All right. We just went over CRM. We didn't go over the daily. So yeah, on the daily, we got a sweep incoming. So why is this level of 211 a high sweep area? Why do you think? Hey, over circle if we got time. All right. Done. He driving 10 minutes. That dude stay at work too late. I'll call him right now because I know he gonna say he ain't driving. Anybody got the answer? Anybody got the answer? Going once. Going twice. I'm gonna wait because it's delayed. Oh, you didn't go in? Oh, bet. All right, gone. All right, so this is gonna be a high sweep area. 211 gonna be a high sweep area because we have a weekly trigger, and it's this order block was created right here, and it has a. This is the first time that it's trying to break through it. Most of the time, it does not break through it on the first attempt. You will reject and get sent to Hades. So we could see a pullback very soon on CRM before it goes higher. See Jose was typing, bro. He wasn't even. All right, we're gonna run a trade plan on Tesla. We gonna run a trade plan with Black Wolf. Let's see. Boom. Do not try this with your normal ass your chat GPT. You will get smoked. Don't say I ain't warn you. This is not financial advice. Go ahead and put that disclaimer there. Go ahead and put that down. Honestly. Ooh. Hello. Price action. Alright. And boom. What is the command? Oh no. Yep. Top down on Tesla. Jose becoming a chart master. Oh, I missed a lot. Holy. Hey, I appreciate y'all being active in it. The Discord? Yeah, I just, here you go. Too easy. Hey, Ebony, don't be trying to impersonate me now on YouTube now. Hey, yo, YouTube is ruthless. I'm telling you. There you go. Click that bad boy. I mean, honestly, Ebony, you don't. So you can use the free one to do your training, right? You don't have to run trade plans because between myself, Sean, Tammy, just them 3 people, you gonna get. You know what? I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna show you this. So between just me, you gonna get. All right, this is from 8/16. Nope. Let me go back and go all the way to today. All right, 1 today, 2 today. Then this from yesterday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plans yesterday. 1, 2, 3. 3 more the day before that. So you won't, and then the community copy and paste theirs into the Roux trade ideas as well. Oh, you need to. Oh, it's in the pinned comment. You see the pinned comment? There it is. How often do you need to run the plan? Honestly, yo, if you look at some of my old ones, I recycle the same ones because when you trade with liquidity, the price action is pretty predictable. So I'm gonna go to, okay, let's use Tesla, right? So right now, looking at the 30, I'm gonna go back and replay because you're gonna see all these order blocks pop up. I'm gonna go right here. So there's gonna be an order block right here, or supply. They go order block right there. So when price comes down to a demand and it sweeps it, price just gonna run to a supply. So watch this. You see how it went straight to supply? It went up there, swept it. Watch this. Now it hit the supply. Guess what it's gonna do next? See that? Now it made a new supply, came down, it's holding the 12. Watch this. All right, got a demand down now. But we got a fresh breaker structure. Remember this supply was right here. It swept it, came right back down. Now it's trying to hold this breaker structure level. Guess what? It held it for a moment, gapped up, hit this supply, boom, right to the demand. So what price action really does is just go to supply and demand, like repeatedly. And all this is in the same range. So you can rinse and repeat trade plans. But if you want to, say for instance, you in a trade and you hit TP2 already, and you're like, hey, I want to refresh. All you got to do is say, hey, I'm in this trade. I'm at TP2. Tell me how to manage this trade. And you provide Black Wolf those time frames that he asked for. And he will literally manage the trade, but tell you how to manage the trade. So you won't be in the dark. But some people, you know, they let their contracts go from green to red, or they let it be red so long, and by the time it's about to sweep to go higher, they sell it, and then the next day they're like, man, I knew it was gonna go that way. So uh-oh, what happened? Did you get my pick? Oh, appreciate y'all for joining the Discord. So go into this tab right here, start here, and download these 2 right here. It'll be your psychology module, and then your wolf chart beginner's guide. So it'll show you how to read the wolf chart. I am gonna drop. Oh, I already dropped it the other day. How to read a Roux protocol trade plan. That's what I call my trade plans. That'll be once you get the wolf chart under my link, you'll get this stacked wolf category unlocked. And then there you can read my trade plans. You can read everybody else's trade plan. So price action is always gonna try to find supply and demand. Like we just have the tool that sees everything. Like I kid you not. Watch this. You see how price? You see how price came? So this was made in July 2025. So this has been here. Price went all the way up here, and once it rejected of a supply that was made in December 2024, it swept. Remember how I told you it'll go from demand to a supply and then all the way back down? Guess what it did? It tried to fight it off of this breaker structure level because that's liquidity as well. Popped up this hidden supply shelf and it rejected to what? The 200 and this order block, and now it's trying to go back up. Yeah. This thing is insane. This wolf chart is insane. You sent the email? Now I move. Hey, Silver Sharper brand new wolf too. And he got stack of the week. He had it what, 2 weeks? That's how good this chart is. All right. Oh, my bad. I skipped something. The trade plan. Oh, I don't know what you. Oh, let me see what you sent. Oh, okay. Hey, I saw that, Brick City. I saw that. Trade plan. Boom. All right, here we go. So here goes the full trade plan on Tesla. As y'all can see, this is made with Sean the Wolf AI Pro, Black Wolf Pro. So not just Chat GPT. You'll get smoked. Do not do it. I behoove you not to do it. All right. I'm gonna say summarize this because I don't want to read all that. It take too long. I'm gonna post it in the chat. Oh, actually, man, that's genius. I'm gonna post it in the chat. I'm gonna post it in the gen chat. Hey, I'm gonna tag everybody, and this is gonna be $3.99. There you go, right there. Boom. Now it's lengthy, so you can get it compressed or whatever. But you want the compressed version, or you want the full out detailed version? Man, feeling invincible. So selling nothing. All right, so I'm gonna read the compressed one. I put the full one in the general tab. Are you dependent on wolf protection on RAM though? Huh? Program. This ain't no program. It's just chart. This is look. This is all it is. It's just an indicator. Now, don't get me wrong. I already knew supply and demand before the wolf chart. But with the wolf chart, you can see everything. Boom, 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 boom. Like I can develop a trade plan without doing it with Black Wolf, if that's what you're asking. I don't chase, I wait. Yeah, you can. Oh, I mean, that's all on you. So you can customize the wolf chart to whatever moving averages you want. I mean, there's no reason that it would go away. But I can guarantee you, once you get it, you ain't gonna try to get rid of it. I can guarantee that. And then in the event you do, let your subscription expire or whatever. And once that wolf chart gone, man, you're gonna be blind. Your chart gonna look like this. Your chart gonna look like that, and you're gonna have to do all of that stuff yourself. Do you want to do all this charting by yourself? I don't. Get loud. Yeah, I'm not doing this. Yeah, I'm not doing this. That take too long. Nah. Yeah, that Why would I be doing that? It does it for me. Oh heck no! Hey, look, hey, wait, how you say that? Lakeitha Louder Than Milk. That's a funny name, by the way. Louder Than Milk. But just come in the Discord. You gonna get one of these free trading plans. It's gonna be in plain lingo, so you ain't gotta worry about wolf chart language like inverse arc, lock candle, all that. All you gotta do is follow the trade plan. You make enough to pay for your subscription. You just get the subscription for free. Boom. And you ain't gonna, I'm gonna tell you, once you get it, you ain't gonna ever want to get rid of it. I got wolf vision. That's crazy. That song popped up after that, after saying that. Everything. Wolf vision. Everything. All right, so Tesla. All right, so price is approximately at 362.80. It is in a pre-active state. Bias bullish recovery, but stretched into resistance. Why? Because it's at the 200 on the daily. Well, not at the daily. I think it was the 3-day. Was it the 3-day? Yep, here we go. At the 3-day. All right, so it can read everything. All right, so higher time frame, monthly, weekly recovery is strong, but major supply still sits above around 400 to 430, and then 445 to 490. So it's basically marking out all those levels of resistance that it got to fight through without actually like giving you a thin band. It's giving you like the whole range. Daily has turned bullish. Why did we turn bullish? Because we are above the 12. We have reclaimed the 12. So we're above the WTMA and the 12. All right, best pullback zones, 354 to 358. All right, look at this. Let's go to 354 right here, 358 right here. So you're gonna mark this. Well, you ain't gotta mark this out, because guess what? We got a tool for that too. All right, that's gonna be that zone right there. That's the pullback zone right there. It's literally telling you everything. All right. Let's see. Immediate resistance, 366 to 371. 366 is what? The WTMA cloud. Boom, that's the resistance right there. What do you know? We got a historical resistance right there. This dude, this is crazy. It's crazy. Uh-oh. Picked the wrong thing. All right. Execution, preferred cloud pullback. So basically it's saying, hey, let it hit the cloud and then pull back. Reclaim from 354 to 358 or wait to a clean acceptance above 366 to 371. So what it's saying is wait for a pullback here or wait till it closes above this and then it can run up to like 383 or something. All right, let's see. Invalidation below 354. That's where you hey, cut your contract, man. Cut the contract. If it invalidates, cut it. Do not hold it praying and hoping. We don't do hoping with the wolf chart. All right, below 350, 4-hour thesis weakens. Below 338 to 342, daily recovery starts failing. All right, your targets 360. This is that first zone of resistance. So this is a given. All right, then 374, 380. I just said 383. Yeah, I got 383. I'm gonna say 383. Cut that weed. All right, and then 387 and 390, and then 400 and 430. It's a B plus right now. Bottom line, bullish recovery is real, but 362 and 363 is late location. So you missed the first initial trade. Better to wait for a pullback or confirmed breakout. So that's the condensed plan, and you can see how much more in depth it is. It actually has a mode that goes way more in detail, but I definitely don't want to do that. All right, moving on to Amazon. Yeah, hey, Lakeith, yeah, hey, you ain't got to mark the charts by yourself, Lakeitha. You ain't got to do that. Sheesh. Creole and JLG are millionaires in the making. Hey, man, I just want to be like Sean, man. And you get the sector rotation dashboard for that free ski. But she's actually told me I could send it out, so I'm gonna do it. He said I can send it out. All right, everybody in chat, click this link. Everybody, lottie-dottie, everybody in chat. Well, I mean, unless you already got it. If you already got it, obviously not, but you know. Lottie-dottie, everybody. Put this on your trading view. Yup, put that on your trading view. Put that in your trading view app. You welcome. Free 99, man. Free 99. Don't say the Wolfpack ain't do nothing. All right. So Amazon on the monthly, I mean, we're still holding the 12. We're still holding the WTMA. We're still holding the 200 and the WTMA cloud. We look good. It looks like we want to come down and retest some of this fair value gap. So we'll see how that pans out. Yes, sir. Ooh, hey, I like this location. All right, so on the weekly time frame, we got look at the correlation now. Remember, I said this now. All right, so we got the WTMA cloud thinned out. All right, it's thin. It's coming through here thin. Remember what I said? Well, what it was. Okay, I got you. Send it. Please write me first. Please. If it ain't got no wolf, if it ain't got no wolf tag, I'm gonna show you now. Hey, they be getting every new person. If it ain't got no wolf tag, if it ain't got wolf, my status right now is raising wolves. Right now, my mission is to train you. So everybody who's under my link, guess what? Guess what we doing every month? Yes, we doing a free session on me. Yeah, you right. Yeah, catch out the bag. Yeah. I already sent out the first batch of emails, so I gotta send it out again. The more people I get, but it'll be a group session. Y'all can blast how many questions y'all want to, but I'm gonna do a baseline overview to train y'all, and then whatever question you have, that's when I expand into that. So, all right, so Raising Wolves, Wolf Tag, and my account is made on January 9th, 2019. So remember I said 2019, January 9th, because that's when, Modern Warfare 2 came out. That's, COVID and stuff was about to pop off. So that's when I started playing Call of Duty in Discord. So, boom. All right. So, now remember I said this about Amazon. You got thin cloud coming through. So that's a whole bunch of WTMAs, which acts as dynamic support or resistance. Then you got the actual WTMA as support as well. And then you got the 12 right here. So now and it's inside of a fair value gap. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 levels of confirmation on Amazon right now. And you already buy side swept 2 weeks ago, which is going to unlock the top to go higher. So put Amazon on your dang watch list, please. I remember I was calling 375 or 275 out, and all right, looking at the daily, it don't look good on the daily, but Saving grace is WTMA Cloud is changing character line and historical support now, since it's still above it. All right, so we can get, you know, insane inverse art from this level right here. So we just gotta see how that data affects Amazon next week. That don't mean getting to the trade tomorrow or Monday. Nah, that don't mean do that. All right, Apple. Dale says Circle and Geyser. What ticker you said? Marvel. I'm gonna get my chunker. All right. Oh, my Discord popping off. See, look. Lakeitha, look at this. So Pretty Hustle, right? She's a mentor like myself, right? Look, she said my pullback levels match. I haven't ran a plan yet. See what I'm saying? That's how good you'll become. So you're going to look at the wolf chart so much, and then when you run a trade plan, you're already going to be speculating what price is going to do anyway. You can be like, man, I think price going to come here and then bounce. You run it through Black Wolf reinforces your thought process. Boom, you're a pro. I'm telling you, that's exactly how it's gonna go. That's like verbatim how it's gonna go. I kid you not. And Pretty Hustle ain't even in the stream. See, look, she's sorry I missed the live. I catch the replay. I just posted this 14 minutes ago, and she read the trade plan. It was like, dang, my levels match. So that's crazy. And then Tammy just posted the Amazon trade plan. Shout out to Tammy. Oscar, what it do? All right. So looking at the monthly on Apple, Doji candle, I don't like it, especially after that crazy sell-off we had last month. I don't like it. But we still above the 12. We still above the WTMAs and the WTMA Cloud. Are we able to rewatch this over the weekend? Yeah. It's public. So when you go to my channel, go instead of going to videos, go to live, and it'll have the full replay. But if you got any questions, shoot them in the Discord now, because we answer. Now I am gonna be doing homework, so it might take a little while to answer, but I'm pretty sure somebody will see it in their answer. Full size, upsize, please. Huh? All right, so on the monthly, holding the WTMA, holding the 12, holding the WTMA Cloud, we look pretty good. I just threw such a what? All right, on the weekly, we have a fresh bearish arc. So a bearish arc indicates what? I'm asking the brand new people. So a bearish arc when the WTMA green crosses down over the red. We answer all your questions, big or small. Facts. Wait, you said I. That's insane. Oscar, how you doing, man? Level 1 momentum. Okay, there we go. All right. Let's see. Level 1. Oh, I know what you're saying. Okay, I see what you're saying. I was like, what, level 1? All right, cool. So when you get a fresh bearish arc, right? That's going to signify, hey, we pulling back. But when you get it on a weekly time frame, that means something ain't about to go good. So you can see that it was dropping for like 6 straight weeks. But on a weekly time frame, it lags. So if you see it on a daily time frame, you'll get it a lot sooner, right? So you get this, boom, you get confirmed right here. You ride puts all the way down to the 200. Bam. Money. So right here, when you see the bearish arc starting to form, you already got a 12 reclaim before the bearish arc, well, on the bearish arc candle, and you reclaimed it. But now it's trying to pop back up since price action left the WTMA so fast. So now we're going to probably get a pop back up, which we already did. We're probably going to get a small amount of consolidation. And then if this bearish arc keeps developing, that's when we're going to see a 12 EMA crossing the WTMA, which is going to trigger an insane amount of selling on on Apple. So yeah, you don't want to be caught in that, because once that 12 cross over that WTMA cloud, you'll see it. So here goes an example right here. So here's a 12, and boom, it crossed under it. You see what happened? All right, and then it crossed over it. You see what happened? So crossed over it again. You see what happened? So when it crosses under, please don't get caught buying calls. You're gonna remember me saying this. You're gonna be looking at your phone. Man, he said don't get calls. Yep. Flip. You gonna get a regime flip. That's crazy how that's insane how that song is playing. It's like that happens every Friday. All right. So, I do like the daily chart. So on the daily chart, we have an established demand zone. We have an established change of character with the pullback that's right on top of a bullish order block. And we have a WTMA retest. So this right here is pretty good. Now, the only thing working against you is that weekly time frame. Cause that weekly, like the weekly is gonna turn over slower, but man, it's gonna take Apple getting all the way up here for that weekly to turn over. Cause like when price come all the way back up here, this will adjust and start to not cross. It'll like stay crossed up, stay separated. So it'll do this right here instead of, curling down what it does. So this acts as liquidity in real time. So it adjusts to price action in real time. And just to show you, I'm gonna go back and replay. I'm gonna go back to right here, because it's probably gonna have a bearish arc. See how it's arcing now? Look, so boom, bearish arc, full bear. Until what? Break a structure. Watch this. Ooh, look at that. Man, bro, come on, man. Look at that. That break and retest so crazy, man. If you just trade that, you'll probably be a millionaire by now. All right. Let's see. Next chart. Marvel. Ooh. Okay. So I had a parabolic run up with a massive pullback. That was a tech sell-off though, so that ain't nothing special. This month, which is only 3 weeks old, we have an aggressive move with strong momentum. That means the move is more likely to keep going in that direction. All right, so the ATR is $43 per month. We are currently up $49 a month. So that expands the ATR. So it changes the ATR by 6%. That means it's going up. All right. Ooh, I like this right here. I like this. All right, so dang. So you got the WTMA cloud, you got a fair value gap, you got the 12 EMA, and you got the WTMA starting to basically get a curl. So this is what you're gonna see in this one spot. Where the next candle. So boom, you're gonna see that. You're gonna see that. I'm gonna make that one red so you can understand what I'm doing. And then the 12. Oh man, I gotta. Dang. Oh well. And then you're gonna see the 12 like this. Then that's gonna be the one spot where everything lines up because the WTMA cloud gonna be right there too. And then you're gonna be right on top of a fair value gap. This spot in particular is the pivot point for Marvell right now. So if you look on the 3-day, I already know you're gonna have an inverse arc already occurred. So with that knowledge already on the 3-day, you already got your confirmation. So whenever you see like a weekly like this, you're like, well, price already ran from all the way down here. So I had to have a confirmation from somewhere. You go down to the 3-day, bam. You got fresh inverse arc, 12 reclaim, retest and reclaim. And then you got a floater candle now. So now you got your lock. So now on the daily, all you doing is, all you do now is do a top down. So you see you rejected off the trend line. That's fine. That's normal. Let's see. Let me see what we can get. Let's see what we can get. Let's see. Okay, so it swept that. I'm trying to see the trigger time frame. Oh, okay, so we got an order block on the 4 hour. That's fine. And it swept it already. So if it sweeps already, now it is weakened. So all you got to do is wait for a 4 hour candle to close above this order block. It'll delete it, and then price can accelerate to around, let's see, what's this? 266? Yeah, 266. And that's at 150. So it can go up $16 pretty quick. I should keep the red eye plans. Already understand. Oh yeah, and I'm dialing in the regime tracker. The regime, the levy, that's what I call it. I'm trying to pan out the metals. If I can pan out the metals in it, it'll be probably good for release. But this thing good, man. It's tracking it pretty accurate. So on Circle, no 200 because it's brand new. Came out last July. Ooh, so this is what I saw yesterday. That's why I called this one out. So whoever, see, this is why it's important to heck, if you just listen to Coach Sean, if me and Coach Sean say the same thing, hey, yo, it's about to go crazy if both of us say it. Because if I see it before he do, and then I look at him and take like, hey, bro, look at this. And he be like, yeah. See, this was 2 days ago. I behoove you doing a trade plan on Circle. And that ain't the first time I mentioned them. So this was 512. What Circle at? I just saw it. Right here. 512. No, that's hella far. Oh, why am I'm tweaking. I didn't want to put that down now. I'm trying to find the one me and Coach said at the same time, but I can't find it. But I am gonna do this. So I ran a plan on it on 8/19. And this was the plan right here. So the TP3, I'm just gonna say the TP3 because the high of the candle of that day was 85.26. This is how accurate Black Wolf is, right? The TP3 was, the top of TP3 was 85.22. 3 cents off. Well, 4 cents off. That's crazy. And then that Shrek is funny, bro. All right, that's how accurate Black Wolf is. So I saw an inverse arc, and I was like, "Hey, Sean, look at this, man." He said, "Yeah, they gonna go, especially since they run with Bitcoin. So when they run with Bitcoin, and you see this, now it's gonna make a massive move just off the strength of Bitcoin." So that's when I said earlier, if you do Circle, Coin, MSTR, Mara, do trade plans on Bitcoin as well, because now you know where Bitcoin can run. Whenever Bitcoin runs into a resistance, these are going to run into a resistance just on a smaller scale. And it don't even have to be a real supply there on these charts, but if it's on Bitcoin, it'll still reject out of thin air on these. So yeah, do a trade plan. But yeah, this hit TP4, I'm pretty sure, on that trade plan. 86.50. Oh yeah, we closed at 87.98. So yeah, we hit TP4 in 2 days. 2 days. Down, down. Patient like the predator. All right. Well, that's all the charts. Oh, that's all the charts. Dang. Hey, that Shrek is hilarious. Oh yeah, hey, no problem, guys. What you mean? Can you explain how you executed Circle today? All right, bet. We moving the shadow, make a sound. So I wanted to get in it yesterday at the end of the bell. So what I did, because I didn't use a trade plan on it, but I knew that the resistance was up here. We already inside of the 200, right? So if I box this out, I'm just gonna put this as a reference. I already know for sure that this is here. Let me see where I found the actual. Should be a WTMA. There it is right there. Now you see how we leverage the WTMA to find liquidity levels? This stuff is stupid, bro. This is crazy. All right, so look. So now I'm gonna go. I think I executed it on the 5. Yes, Tammy, I did it on the 5 because I knew what was gonna happen. So, all right, let me go into 24 hours. Here we go. So this is how I executed it. So you already see the range right here. Boom, you got the low, and you got the high right here. But you got my bad. Yeah. But you got the change of character right here. That's when I got in off of the change of character. Down. So I ain't even gonna worry about this high right here. So I got in right here. So once market open and it closed above it, all I did was wait for the pullback. It pulled back literally to the 12. I entered 390 calls for today and made 522 in 10 minutes. 10 minutes. I wish I could, hold on, let me pull up the timestamp. I got out of there quick and I was like, damn, that was pretty fast. Think of swim. Positions. Let's see, orders, field. Let's see, 37. 837. I bought them. I bought 3 of them at 140 a piece. And 846, I sold all 3 of them for 314 a piece. So 9 minutes, a 9-minute trade yielded me $522. I got structure. I got confirmations too. That's what I do. Jordan, how you doing, man? I gotta go to coach softball. Ooh, just wanted to pop in and let you know that hey, you did get the job. Hey man, hey, everybody in the chat, tell Jordan congratulations for getting his freaking job. Hey, give me $1. You use that turbo trader. What's that? I used to think of swim, bro. Is that something in think of swim? Hey, yeah. Hey, Jordan, congrats on that promotion, dog. So now when you get coached, I can double charge you and just not tell you, right? And you won't even care. You won't even care. You be like, yeah, whatever. Kim, how you doing, man? All right, so I went over all the charts. I know some questions gonna be asked when I get off this stream. So ask him now. Ask him now. So everybody would know the question and they'll know the answer to it. Then I won't have to keep. Oh, it isn't think or swim? Uh-oh. Oh no, I know what you're talking about. Nah. I know what you're talking about. I need to be seasoned more on day trade, dog. Hey, I got you, man. Be in there. Was you in there today? Cause I called out circle before open, I believe. Yeah, that's the active trader. I don't touch that crap. No sir. Yeah, I tried that before. I bought too many of the wrong thing one time. APPL? Oh, I thought you was trying to put, let me see. Oh, I can tell you now, I don't like it. Now, if it's for shares, you straight. APPL, this is the right one, right? Aptis Pharma. The double charge is crazy. I mean, but you won't even care, bro. You'll be making, and it's delayed data too. This big O. Oh, hey, hey, bro, I could have swore your name on here with big O. Oh, Apple. I already went over it. I just went over it 2 charts ago. Hey, how little man doing, man? Hey, I'm just glad you making enough money for them diapers. You heard? Oh, I'm at work. I catch replay. Okay. Oh, okay. So how long you got until you gotta leave? Baby getting chunky. Oh, that mean he eating good, bro. Hey, bro, I ain't mean keep buying straight up formula for him, man. That man made that 500. He was like, man, I'm buying all formula. Let's go. Dang, midnight. Ooh. All right, so I'm gonna go over Apple one more time. That's a long time. So monthly, Apple got a doji candle. I mean, it's all right. We got a week and a day left on the month. So it's at a pivot point right now. Depending on how that data comes out next week, that's gonna determine if it go down or it goes up. All right, looking at the weekly. On the weekly, we are holding the 12 EMA, but we have a bearish arc. So we do got a little bit of resistance to fight above, to go higher than like upwards to 312. All right, looking at the daily, this is what you want to look for, right? Now, but you got to keep in mind, you got a bearish arc on the week. So the higher time frame takes precedence. All right, so on the daily, you got a demand zone that's printed at this change of character line. You got a fresh inverse arc, a 12 reclaim, a change of character, and a pullback into the WTMA and the 12. So what you want to look for on Apple in particular on a daily time frame is the 12 EMA being reclaimed and closed above. So don't touch Apple until the 12 EMA, until a candle closes above, what's this right here? 312. above that level. Don't look at Apple until the end, because if you get in too early and it just continues to go down, it's gonna go all the way down to 301, and then sweep liquidity. You're gonna sell out. That's where they're gonna sweep you as liquidity, and then they're gonna run it up. I'm in it. Oh Lord, when did you get in? Now you know straight. Baby cost me money on Tesla today. I was Hey, did you see Tesla at the end of the day though? Man, you probably would have been up a K if you would have just stayed in it. A 3:30 call for what date? 3 weeks ago? Okay, so whoa. You got this 3 weeks ago. And you had a 3:30 call. Hold on, man. What date? What date did you get it? Did you get it up here? Please don't say you got it up there. 127. Okay, so that's your expiration. What date in particular you buy it? Did it gap down on you, or did you get it after the gap down? All right, say what, Sharp, man. You have a blessed and safe weekend. I'm gonna shoot you that Calendly invite too. Higher lows. How much are you down? Yeah. That's a more important question. Appreciate that, Pascal. All right, Tam. The cartel. I got it when it was up. Ugh. I don't like that. Wait, did you play earnings? No. The forbidden play. Don't ever. I don't want to ask that question. I'll let somebody else ask it. Huh? Down 15%. Okay, that ain't bad. But see. What's this up here? It's 320. I mean, Apple can start marching up, but you better hope it don't lose this WTMA, because it's definitely coming down to 301 if it do. But lucky for you, you got a fresh inverse that's strong enough to act as support and keep you up. Do you go over puts? Yeah, my trade plan is binary. So whatever trade plan I do, it has a call side and a put side, like no matter what. So if it's heavy call, right? So like Apple right here, I did this 2 days ago. This is a call trade plan. Ooh, this actually fits your parameters. That's crazy. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna forward it to the chat. Ooh. I don't know your name in now, but I'm gonna do everyone. Boom. Since it ain't moved that much, I'm gonna put it in general for you. For the free ski. Alright. So let's see. That's saying the money at the trigger though. That's at the A+ trigger. It ain't at the A+ trigger yet. It's at 309. So right now, you are in the zone. You're under the discount zone. So I got 3 zones in my trade plans. I got the trigger and the acceptance. I got the retest, and then I got the discount. So retest is just, hey, I'm just making higher highs, higher lows. It's just gonna keep going up. Discount is when structure breaks down and then you come down to one of these. But since I made this, how many days ago? I forgot how many days ago. It was early this week when the price was like right here, but pretty sure I made it right here. And then it came down to the discount and then it went under the discount. So the trade plan can still be valid. I can run a new one if you need though. Boom, boom. New music, yeah, man. I'm dropping the album on October 1st, Pascal. Oh yeah, that Oracle finna go. Pray for me, y'all. Hey, we got the solution for you. We got the solution. All right. All right. Any more questions? Did you go over Mara? I don't think so. Woo! I don't like that. Bro, say, AVGO swept. You should be straight. Have you messed up any crypto ETFs that are? Have you what? I bit. That's the only one I trade. I bit. IBIT. It literally trades bar for bar with it literally trades bar for bar with Bitcoin. Oh, you mean on the live? Okay. I got you. All right, so Mara, let's see what we got. Sweeping the WTMA, breaker structure level. It looked like you want to keep going down. Let me look at the week. The week has a crazy stat. I like that. Look like we want to break a trend line. Look like we want to do that right there. Ain't gonna lie, it might do that right there. When it break over that previous week high, we gone. It gonna be at 20. You gonna be like, dang, bro. Looking at the daily, we got a fresh inverse arc with a floater, so that's good. But we are sweeping the 200s. So we already swept this order block. So next week we probably can break above that one and then move up to this next one at 13 bucks and then get rejected at the sweep level and the WTMA cloud on the daily. And then we're gonna come right on back down, probably hold this 200, and then it's probably gonna go back up to 1440. Nah, my trade plans ain't always a 2 hour no more. I changed it. Like right here, no order block above 15-minute close is the A plus trigger. All right, let's see. There's a trade. I don't think this a put situation right now. Hold on, let me see. Nah, this ain't no put situation. Not right now. So the monthly, you holding every moving average, right? And then you go to the weekly, you holding the 200 WTMA cloud, 12, and the WTMA signal, and almost the WTMA. What you just did today, well, this week was come down and retest this fair value gap. I know I said before I made my sadly departure that 64 was my TP on HPE. I was calling it out for Alex. I got out soon as we hit 63 because I was like, I ain't risking that sweep being happening to me. I already knew it was gonna happen. I cut it. It went down to get some drawdown. So I'm thinking we hold. Well, I don't know if we gonna hold it. I don't know if we gonna hold it. We already below it. Right now we got a bearish confirmation. Let me see what we got somewhere else though. Okay, let's see the 2 hour. 2 hour trying to curl up. Yep. Oh, hey, nah. Ooh, no, don't do no push right now. Don't do no push right now. Damn, hey, bro, you know that, bro. Hey, bro. It was sad, bro. All I want to do is go over charts. Like I'm doing right now. We got a 2 hour inverse arc, but we haven't reclaimed the 12. Once we reclaim the 12 over 54.13, that's when Ebony, that's when you gonna make that move up. It's gonna run. So look. Watch this. I'm finna show you this. I'm gonna take off all this. I'm gonna leave that right there. I'm just gonna use the base wolf chart, right? So watch this. I want you to see this. I'm a screenshot. I'm gonna do that. Watch this. What's this? What's that making? You saw that? I don't even know if the stream caught that. It might have froze everything, but I overshot it. Redo. How you gonna get that right there? What we trying to make? Yes, sir. Hey. Daggone HPE finna be at 60 probably in 2 weeks. Cause it move a little slow. It moves 99 cents every 2 hours. It moves about $3 per day. But yeah, we got a cup and handle situation. All we need to do is make the actual handle now. And we got correlation on the 2 hour to wait for that 2 hour 12 reclaim, and then we gone. Pew. All right. Sheesh. Any more questions? If not, I will make my departure with the little something. I'm gonna be dropping teasers out throughout the week for the album. Make sure y'all engage in those, man. I run them likes up, run the shares up. This album gonna relate to every trader in the world, unless you just like, you know. Well, actually, you can't even say that German guy, because he even felt it. So yeah. But yeah, I'm finna go ahead and get up out of here. I'm finna go ahead and play this joint, and I'm gonna let the music take it off.
Then the whole pack answers. This the part where it all come together. Welcome to the Roux.
I'm gonna hear your real voice on the album. Yeah, you hear it right now. Wow! All right, y'all have a good weekend. Y'all get in them charts and study. Peace.
Started with a broke boy, staring at a zero. Now he stand in front of thousands, turned a loss to a hero. Every scar that I carry, every night that I cry, built the walls of a home where the loss come inside, low and slow like a Roux. That's the Creole in me. Take your time, build it right, and it feed a family. From the bottom of the pie to the plate that we serve. Everybody eating now, everybody deserve. This ain't just a chart, this a culture, this a way.
This the trading Roux, and we here to stay. Welcome to the Roux, where the wolves run together and the lost find the truth. Come as you are, broke, blind, or afraid. We gon' build you up, watch a wolf getting made. Welcome to
The Roux, low and slow we simmer till it's ready, then we move. One pot, one pack, one family, one sound.
the whole pack howling now. Ain't about the money, it's about who we become. Discipline and patience till the vision get done. I was raised by a wolf, now I'm raising the nation. Every D of my answer, plant a seed of salvation.
We don't chase, we wait, we don't gamble, we plan. Every wolf in the pack once was lost, now they stand. Sean lit the first candle and I carried the flame. Now 1,000 torches burning, everyone know the name. This bigger than me, this a legacy now, fell down as a man.
Rose a wolf, take a bow.
Say it loud, the Roux, say it proud, the Roux.
One pack, one heart, we eat
Every part,
from the fall to the rise. This the truth in the sound. Every wolf that was lost, now they found, now they found. Same broke boy at the same screen. Look at him now. Didn't just save himself, he built a home for the pack.
low and slow, structure and patience.
This the trade